up, guys? Today we're going to be playing some Build a Boat for Treasure. Sorry for the lag and all that type of stuff. Everything. The noises, everything. Hope you have a great time watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and notifications and stuff. Don't mind the noises in the background. My friend is here.
Hi.
There. While I'm making a video. I'm actually already really good at that. And I have something called a plane, aka this, trust me, this is what you would call Aer Lingus. This is what you call Aer Lingus.
They're American.
Oh yeah. This is what you would call Spirit. Yeah, Spirit. Come on! This is what you would call, Brain, give me something.
Figure it out.
Something in America or something. Or,
Okay, let us think of one.
like Spirit or Aer Lingus or like,
No, and no.
what about American Flight?
No.
Okay, something that's in your country that is terrible. This is what you would call it. For me, this is Aer Lingus. This is Aer Lingus to me.
Why?
Whee! Oh, engines are out. Oh, we crashed up. And this is what you call Ryanair. We are. Oh, I forgot about the doors.
Nah, please. Ryanair's crap.
We have. Don't be saying baddie words. We're having a nice flight today. With. I hope you all have a great time.
Trust me, you can have a good flight in Ryanair.
He thinks Ryanair's terrible. I love Ryanair.
It is. It's European. If you don't know, if you're from America, it's Europe's worst airline.
No, it isn't.
It's cheapskate.
No, it isn't.
Yes.
It's not the world's airline.
Yes.
It isn't.
Europe's worst airline.
No, Spirit is the worst world's
No,
airline.
that's American's worst airline.
Spirit? You said Spirit was in Europe, you idiot.
Okay, I think it's in America. I don't know.
Well, this is what you would call Spirit. Wherever you're, whatever. But in Ireland, we have something called Ryanair. What the hell are you doing?
I'm playing assignment.
Well, then mute it.
Okay, how?
He's just keep pressing the turn on button. There. He's playing Simon Says. I don't know why. Let me just reset. And oh my God, stop doing that clicking. You do it. Go under the blanket or something. Go under like a blanket. If any of you have gone up, if you haven't skipped this part of the video, I made the old man's house.
I remember that.
I made the old man house out of metal.
What? I thought it was wood.
I don't have enough wood.
I thought you made it out of wood.
And this is the stick, you know, that stick that makes them move.
No.
It even goes
They probably.
up. And it's actually really good. It doesn't actually like tilt or anything. It actually just stays in its nice position. And there's the old grandpa. And I'm the kids driving a boat. No, a car in the air. That's what I should call it. Da-da. What do you bet me I can win with this? Mute that.
Okay.
Look, it's my plane. My plane is getting destroyed. That can survive anything. My plane can survive anything. And while I'm in it, I'll show you some secrets. Let me just bring the graphics up. Sorry if it's glitchy or anything. I don't think in Build a Boat it's glitchy. There's no secrets here. There's a secret in the laundry place. Secret. Where else is there? There's one. No secrets in here. Oh look! Someone's down there. They're just sitting down there. Is that chests or cannons? I think that's chests. Oh, poor person. There is no secrets in there. Don't think. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's my plane. Just keep going. What the hell is that fire? Oh, yeah, that's like the lanterns. That's like the torch. There's the fireplace with the picture.
I hate that.
He's raging because he never got it. There's no secrets here. Don't think, unless they added one. No secrets here either. Just keep raging. There is one at the clock tower though. When the tower strikes 12, there's a lever. Look around the tower and there's a lever, and that opens the floor. There's none in here. Oh my god! Stop shouting.
No!
He's still raging.
I shall not.
Oh god, what has happened to my house? I'm sorry, Grandpa, but
Oh my god!
there is a secret here. I knew there was. I knew it. I never even watched the video. But then I watched the video because I was like, I know there's a secret here. I just don't know where it is. I knew it was something to do with the TV. And I knew it. Oh god.
Oh no.
Stand on that. Stand on that. No. How? What? What?
What do you mean?
I was stuck under the floor. I'll try and show you that again.
You're always on the floor.
Don't slap my back ever again.
No.
Let me just make a big stick. Okay, there we go. I haven't used Robux on this game once. Shut that thing up now! Shut that thing up, please! I will take it off you.
Ah! Fine. Dum. You know, I want to do a board smashing video. Where's that old ripoff? Where's the old ripoff? No one asked you, Simon Board. Flynn,
What?
what's that old ripoff thing?
Huh?
What's that old ripoff thing?
Wait,
Ripoff, you know that ripoff, what is it, what's that ripoff Simon Board? Where's it?
oh that? It's there, on there. What are you gonna do with it?
Stuff that needs to be done.
Okay.
So you're gonna let me smash it?
No!
Oh,
Why would I let you smash that?
okay.
Right there, that clog goes in, and then a lever pops up, then it opens the floor there.
Open the floor.
Yeah.
Open the floor.
No, because it's not at 12. Hasn't striked 12 yet.
Well,
Hope I
wait
get there in time
Circle
before
around.
15 minutes.
What?
Huh? Just keep waiting.
Poop.
Stop saying inappropriate things, Brain. That's
It's
bad.
not poop. It's not inappropriate.
Yeah, it is. That's
No, it
super inappropriate.
Pee is inappropriate.
How's pee inappropriate? Pee is not. Poo is.
What about the other word of it?
That's really inappropriate.
I really want to get you demonetized.
What? Oh, it's because one of them ran out. Fuely.
Oh yeah.
Stop going inappropriate.
Okay, sorry.
you
last
doing?
That woman is horrible.
Oh, what does she even do? What?
Mamma mia. Here we go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, da, da, da. Here we go again.
I feel like there's a secret in here, but there isn't. It would be
When are you
amazing.
gonna do a face reveal? Papa John's pizza.
50 subscribers.
I always hate YouTubers that do this. Comment if you hate this. YouTubers do this. They say they're gonna do a face reveal, and on the video they were supposed to do a face reveal.
They say
They
3
say-
million likes, actually. No!
What happened?
My stick of butter!
It's a stick of butter.
Yes! Did you not know that? Actually, I'm going to show you a secret that's amazing for you. You should really try this. Trust me, you need to try this. It's the best secret ever. Stop. You're saying so much inappropriate things. If you don't, I'm going to kick you out or something.
What? Oh yeah, this trick. Everyone already knows this at home, guys.
No, trust me, some people don't do it. They do different tricks that are terrible. That make you go like 1 mile per hour.
So pretty much this is their tricks on steroids, because everyone on the audience that done it's probably too dumb to know this one.
This is literally the best secret ever. Now just jump and then just go forwards. And whenever you look, and make sure you go through the black thing. If you don't, then what's it called? You don't get it doesn't count as you went past it. I don't really need to go through it because I don't care. Here it is.
It's like a helicopter.
It is.
Helicopter. You should make a helicopter in this game.
Actually, that's a good idea. So now you just press this,
I suppose you are a bit too dumb.
and then what happens? What did I do? I did something wrong. Oh, there. You have to press the other button. Then this little kid tries to kill you. So you have to, he like throws little blockies, and you have to dodge them. And you get this little prize. See?
Pretty easy.
Oh no! I'm so scared. I just need to be really careful.
Make sure the poo-poo doesn't hit you. Those are balls of poo-poo.
Oh my god, stop.
It's not inappropriate.
It is!
Dude, I swear to God, you'll be reacting to this when you get 10 subscribers, because you're never going to actually get famous.
I will. Well, if you do complete that, you get a little prize and stuff like that.
Yeah, we didn't. Oh, what?
I don't know what he's doing. I'll be back. Let me just see what he's doing. See ya. Okay,
how does that
yeah.
cut?
Huh?
How do you cut that?
I just pause it. Then it just goes back. Sorry about that. Let me show you a new trick, maybe. That was the only trick I know. Kind of. I guess I'll see you next time. Nothing super cool happened, but
Wait, how long is this video?
13 minutes. Oh, shut up. I guess I'll see you next time. See ya.